a company in Newmarket that fully comprehends how annoying and distressing it can be to be stuck in a locksmith problem, whether it is in your office, home or car. We are here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our services range from lock and key repairs to complicated installation of high-security systems. You can avail any of our services at a fraction of cost because your spending budget is always taken under our considerations. We, at all times, provide services at prices you can afford without compromising the quality. No matter if you're locked out of your car or locked in any enclosed area, we will get you sorted as quick as possible. If you've mislaid or totally lost your keys, we can open the lock and have your keys duplicated. Our 24/7 emergency locksmith services include the following services: emergency, commercial, residential and automotive services. Fast rekey installation, lock rekey installation, lock change, lock installation and lock repair, high security locks, security solutions, commercial door locks, file cabinet locks and door lock installation, garage door locks. In the areas of Newmarket, Regional Municipality of York, Ontario, Greater Toronto, Golden Horseshoe, Northern Railway of Canada, 905 and 289, Lextolay. Visit http://checkpointdoorandlock.ca or call 647-496-2950 24/7 for more info.